Good day, everyone. How are you? It's good to see you again. This is Teacher Maricar of EnglishReadingStarter5. Today, we will continue answering the activity from the topic that we've learned from our last video in this book, English Reading Starter 5. This will help you to increase your knowledge about the passage and to widen your vocabulary. So now, let's begin. We will answer another activities related from the passage in Unit 21 entitled Rachel Carson. Are you ready now? Let's begin this first activity, which is word practice. In this part, we will write the meaning of the following words. As you still remember, we already discussed this word, marine, from our last video, right? So now, we will find out the meaning of the other 7 words here. First, I'm going to give you time to find the meaning of the following words in your dictionary, and you can write it in your notebook. While you are looking for the definition, I'm going to read those words for you. Then I will show you the meaning of those words based on its use in the passage. Okay? I will start. Marine, biologist, nature, writer, environment, publish, edge, and the last one, ocean. Alright, are you finished? Now it's time for me to show you its meaning. So let's begin with number 2, the word biologist. Biologists study humans, plants, animals, and the environments in which they live. Nature means physical world. The physical world including all natural phenomena and living things. Writer. It is somebody who writes as profession. Somebody who writes books or articles professionally. Environment. Surrounding influences. All the external factors influencing the life and activities of people, plants, and animals. Publish. Prepare and produce text or software. To prepare and produce material in printed or electronic form for distribution and usually sale. Edge. Border. A line or area that is the outermost part or the part farthest away from the center of something. And the last one, ocean. This is a large sea. A large expanse of salt water, especially any of the Earth's 5 main such areas: the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and Antarctic oceans. The oceans occupy huge regions of the Earth's surface, and their boundaries are usually established by continental land masses and ridges in the ocean floor. Alright, so I hope that you got the same meaning of those words. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is the reading comprehension. In this part, we will test if you understand the passage. We will find out the best answer from the following questions. Are you ready? Let's start with number 1. What was Rachel Carson's job? Veterinarian, chef, or marine biologist? The answer is letter C, marine biologist. Next, number 2. At what age did Rachel Carson write her first book? Age 10, age 20, or age 40? The answer is yes, it's letter A, age 10. Then, number 3. Blanc was one of her best sellers. Is it The Nature of the Sea, The Edge of the Sea, or The Environment of the Sea? The answer is, you got it, it's letter B, The Edge of the Sea. And how about number 4? Rachel Carson's bestseller was written in 1955 and it was about Blanc. Is it about ocean life, field life, or people's life? The answer is correct. It's letter A, ocean life. Very good. Now we can move on to the last part, which is describe the picture. In this part, we will unscramble the words in the box. Before we can answer this one, let's look at the picture. In this picture, you can see Rachel Carson. And it's like she's doing something. Alright, so now let's find out what is the sentence here. The answer is Rachel Carson is writing a book. Like in this picture, she's writing, right? Okay, very good. So I hope that you got all the correct answers here. This is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Mary Carr of EnglishReadingStarter5. See you in our next video. Goodbye!